welcome to my channel TechnoGeek here. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to check what hard drive you guys are using on your device, whether or not you're using Windows 10 or 11. Now if you're looking to upgrade your PC, it is pretty necessary for you to know what hard drive you have in your PC so that you could know the best option or the best way to go about upgrading your PC. So what you guys will have to do is head on over to the search bar and go ahead and type in system information. Head on over to components. Then you head down to storage. Then head on over to disk, and you could go about finding out what hard drive you use by searching up the module. So if I should copy the module right here, which you guys are seeing on the screen, and type it up in Amazon, I would know what hard drive I am currently running. So that's about it for today's video. Don't forget to smash the like button, leave a comment in the comment section, and take subscribing into consideration. That's about it. I'll see you guys in another one.